Hi, I'll be making chutney flavored paneer balls today. I think this is the easiest recipe of an appetizer that I know of. It's so amazingly easy, you will love it. To start with, I'll be taking about 200 grams of grated paneer. To this, I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of the MTR chutney powder. And about 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon of chopped capsicum and 1 tablespoon of chopped onions. Do it with your hands, very convenient. Just mix it and try to mash the paneer nicely. The color is coming lovely. It's a nice orange with the green capsicum. In this, you can add more flavors. If you want, you can add some basil, some thyme, and maybe if you want some black pepper. Also, you can add any vegetables that you want, maybe some red, yellow bell pepper, mushrooms, baby corns. There. Now, as you can see, it's nicely mashed. The reason I'm mashing the paneer is because I have to form a ball out of it, and that will only happen if the paneer is nicely mashed. We have to make small balls out of this. So just press it between the palm of your hands. This mixture is going to be very delicate, so be very careful. Looks like a nice round. The most interesting thing about this recipe is that no cooking, absolutely no cooking is required. I just mixed and I think I'll be ready in another 2 minutes. Just makes your work a lot easier. I won't be cooking these paneer balls at all, but if you want, you can add some binding agent to them and maybe grill it or bake it. It adds to the flavor, but then it also adds a step to your cooking. How fast was that? I need some chopped roasted peanuts. Very coarse, we don't want them very fine. And I'll roll these in these peanuts. Press them a little so that the peanuts stick to them. If you don't want to use peanuts, you can use some roasted sesame or maybe some walnuts. Or you can mix 2-3 nuts and make the coating. Since this dish doesn't require any cooking, it's a very refreshing appetizer to start your evening meal with. And the flavor of the chutney powder really enhances the taste of these balls. I'm putting a small piece of tomato. You can add anything that you want, capsicum. You can even put a piece of cucumber or maybe some pineapple. The best part about this dish is no cooking required. It's an amazing cocktail snack and anybody can just pick it up and eat it. Not at all messy, I mean so convenient. You can serve it with some tomato ketchup, some chili garlic sauce or dash of Tabasco or maybe mint chutney. It's an amazing and easy finger food. So here your chutney flavored paneer balls are ready to serve.